It is 41 degrees out, and oh my God, I can't even imagine walking in that kind of temperature. Damn. But I got a lot of layers of clothes I can put on, so. Okay. Ooh, it is a brisk morning, let me tell you. Francine is on her way, and then we're going to be walking out of León, which may take us a while. We are leaving León. Kids are still out after a full night of partying. It was like this. They just stay out all night and party. And the city is cleaning up the street from all the night of partying. All the bars are cleaning up after a night of partying, and there's the cathedral. And no one's really open for coffee, which, well, you know how I feel about coffee. Whew. We are just still leaving León. In fact, we will be leaving León for quite some time. They have marvelous statues, just marvelous. This thing says we have about 300 kilometers to go to Santiago, but none of these are very accurate at all. It's still pretty darn cold, but it's warming up as we go.
It's Mairie for the Mairie. It's
Mind jaywalking?
You can, but I'm not going to.
Still making our way out of León, and it's a big city. What are you gonna do? Still making our way. The Spanish flag there in the sunrise, and we've got about 20 pilgrims in front of us making their way out. Oh man, what was I gonna tell you? Oh, I bought a Spanish flag. It's very small. It's like the folds down into like a bandana size thing. It's not taking up much space, but I love the Spanish flag, and I've always regretted not buying one on my last Camino. Oh my goodness, these trees are, look at these trees. They are twisted. It's like somebody took them and was wringing them out. Look at this. Are they fabulous? Twisted trees. Look at this building behind us. It's very old. Spain is just beautiful. Have a good night's sleep, and we'll talk to you later.
really nice to see the flakes.
I love them. Oh my God, look how ornate this is. Oh my God. Oh, look at this fabulous guy. fabulous. Well, he's my favorite. I don't know why. Adolfo. I'm not sure, but he's fabulous. Look at these guys. He doesn't look so good. She's like, Dad, my feet are cold. She's fishing. That's what she's doing. That's a good place. She's gonna catch one. Oh. Okay.
Minutes, 10 seconds. Total distance 3.0 kilometers. Average pace 22 minutes, 3 seconds.
So we've gone 3 kilometers, and I think we're still just in the middle of the city. A little bit about the massage yesterday. I walked in because I had a box of brand new shoes, and so he was immediately curious. He said, "What did you buy? What kind of shoes did you buy?" And I said, "Well, Tevas, of course. Like, who wouldn't walk in Tevas?" And he goes, "Are you crazy?" I'm like, "I guess I can be." And he just couldn't believe I was doing the Camino in Tevas. He recommended a shoe called Alta or Solomon's, and I walked in Solomon's last time, and Alta is extremely expensive. We're talking $200 pair of shoes, and I don't want closed toe. I don't know who she is, but she's a badass. She's in a wheelchair. How cool is she? Oh, this place is cute. What is it? It's a tavern. They're very adorable. You can see the León Cathedral in the distance. Still walking out of León. There's the big city over there. We are in a coffee shop. We just have some orange juice, and we are leaving. We've gone about 5 kilometers, and we're just getting out of the city. Here, look. This is a tree that... No, I got it. I got it.
Oh, you want to put my head on my head?
Look. Hand.
Oh, my head.
Okay. No.
Nice.
Look at this monster tree. And it's a tree. And look at the bark. I saw one of these in England once. Yeah. In the middle of just nowhere, we found this full-on grocery store. And what I need is, one moment. This is very popular on the Camino. It's like Fanta, and they have lemon flavored. But I'm trying to stay away from sodas. But Francine there likes the Cas. Excuse me. Wow, this is just incredible. Woo! Okay, if they have a pre-made salad, I'm gonna get one for dinner tonight. Oh my God, this is just, well, I haven't seen a really nice grocery store in a long time. Oh, all this is just very, very exciting. Is this canned meat? Sardines? Like, I would take canned chicken, but that's the word for tuna is atún. been walking in like suburbia. There's León still, but now we're in this town, and we just stopped at a wonderful grocery store. I bought a pen because I noticed when I was writing in my journal last night that my pen is dying. It's a second pen. Anyway, I had to buy a pen and some lotion because my lotion's gone, and used it all. And what else did I buy? Oh, a pre-made salad. I'll show you later. It's wonderful. Oh, there's hats. Oh no, the store's not open. There's more hats. It's perfect. It's $6.
Go to see.
No, it's closed. Oh no. That's okay. You know, it is Saturday. Is it? Oh my God. Okay, so this is actually the first time we're going to be taking an alternate route, which is the pink dotted lines. But we are here, and we have 14 kilometers to go to our albergue here.
Look at this.
Last time I stayed in San Martin. You guys want to see something funny? Look at my hair as a shadow. We are disrobing because it's hot out. We are on the alternate trail. We still have about 11 kilometers to go, and it's warming up quite nicely. Look where we are. Isn't this pretty? Look at that.
5.6. 5 and up.
We found a nice market, but check it out on the inside. It's a vending machine market. Let's see what we got in here. Francine got herself a Kaz. All different kinds of coffee. Right on. And then we have some drinks. Nice. This is beautiful. There's the Kaz again.
Yeah. And snack and what they are over there.
Coca-Colas. Yeah, all the snacks.
Not
Mostly
too much.
it's just really just junk food, usually almost all the time. So Francine and I saw we saw a vending machine that spits out hamburgers and hot dogs, and we thought, no, that just sounds so
Yeah, it's a
wrong.
machine. What is
Yeah,
it?
yeah. You know, it's dotted with these little towns, and it's nice because you gotta stop for a water or a rest or a bench, and it's very nice. Yeah, I've got this here. It's a padding for the sling bag. Shoulder's doing okay because this is the bad shoulder, but I'm babying it. I'm not using it. So I think today's the 4th day of rest for it. And
You have no garbage.
it's doing okay.
You need to buy the seeds. I need to have the seeds.
We're walking about 5 hours. I'm still like an hour and a half away from the town. It's only 20, well, it's 20K today, which is a good amount, but when you're slogging all this crap around, it's a burden. So I'm gonna reevaluate some stuff again in my next albergue. Still not there. It's okay though. Francine is gonna go try her Go Girl device. Look it up. You need to practice with your Go Girl?
Go girl.
Okay.
Go girl.
Hello.
Practice.
Okay, so look up Go Girl because Francine just used. We've been walking 7 hours and 12 minutes, and this should be our albergue. It's got a beer sign, which is perfect. That's what we want. Oh, I'm telling you, we are dog effing tired. Dog tired. There have been pilgrims here before us. There's
We'll be outside, okay? Big room, okay? Good.
¿Cómo el abanico que no tengo que ver? Están tan malas para mí.